This video I will explain how to enable incognito mode and what it really does. Incognito mode is a special feature in your web browser. When you use it, your browser does not save your history, cookies or searches after you close the window. Incognito mode, sometimes called private browsing. History means list of websites you visited. Cookies are small files websites save on your computer to remember your login or preferences. Searches are the words you typed into Google or another search engine. In short, when you close the incognito mode, it is like your browsing session disappears from your computer. Now we will see what incognito mode does not do. Many people think incognito mode makes them completely invisible online, but that is not true. It does not hide your activity from your internet provider like Airtel, Jio or BSNL. It does not hide your activity from office, school or network admin. It does not make you safe from hackers. It does not completely protect your identity online. It only hides your browsing activity on your own device from others who might use the same computer or phone. Now we will see how to enable incognito mode. In case of Google Chrome, in Windows operating system, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. And in case of Mac operating system, you can use Command plus Shift plus N. And you can also click three dots at the top right and select New Incognito window. We will see that. Here you can see Google Chrome. Use Ctrl Shift N to open Incognito window. Then you can use the incognito mode. And another way to open is click on this, click on New Incognito window. In case of Safari browser, you have to go to File menu, then click on New Private Window. In case of Firefox browser and in Windows operating system, you have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus P. Or in case of Mac operating system, Command plus Shift plus P. Or click on three lines in the corner and select New Private Window. In case of Microsoft Edge, open the Edge. Then in case of Windows operating system, use Ctrl plus Shift plus N. In case of Mac operating system, use Command plus Shift plus N. Or click three dots and select a new in private window. On mobile phones, most browsers also have an option for incognito or private mode. When you tap the tabs icon and look for a private or incognito option. Here I have opened Firefox browser. Click on this. Click on New Private Window. Here I have opened Edge browser. Click on this. Click on New in Private Window. Now we will see when you should use incognito mode. When using shared computer, like in library or at work. When you don't want your searches or websites saved in history. When logging into multiple accounts on the same website at once. When shopping for gifts and you don't want others on the same computer to see your search. Now we will see the final takeaway. Incognito mode is useful for privacy on your own device. It prevents your browser from saving what you did during that session. But remember, it does not make you completely invisible on the internet. For stronger online privacy, you would need tools like VPN or secure browsers. You have to remember, incognito only provides limited privacy. It only prevents local storage of browsing data on your device, not completely online anonymity. Incognito mode is just one small tool in your privacy toolkit, not a complete solution.